good morning again. So dito ulit tayo ngayon sa mataas na burol in Silang, Cavite, no, to feature this farmhouse for sale. Alright, so by the way, no, this property with a total frontage of 40 meters, no, dikit dito sa 2-lane road with a nice frontage. No, this property is facing the morning sun with 2 houses. Alright, so this is the one house and then the second house. So sa harapan meron kang parking space and i-parking space dito sa side na to. So ang maganda nito, no, sa property na to, yung harap is naka-fence and dito po sa side na to naka-cyclone wire. Right now meron kang 2 house, livable kasi may nakatira dito at may mga fruit bearing trees. Okay, so we'll check out at least the one house over there. Anyway, no, this property is Torrens title and selling in the market for 17 million pesos, no, 2,000 square meters land area. Okay, so follow me and we'll check out the house. Anyway, no, itong property nito is very good or potential siya for a resort, events place, coffee shop, or a staycation house or bed and breakfast. Kasi napakaganda nito, malapit lang talaga to sa pinaka-busy road, no? Okay, so tingnan natin yung house, at least one house. Alright, so ang napagandang area na to is overlooking, no? Yung side na yon, ayun yung palace in the sky, cruise wind, at andyan yung mga tourist attraction. Anyway, yung breeze, no, ng Tagaytay City papunta dito sa area na to, talaga namang malamig, no? Napakaganda dito as retirement home or a vacation home. Anyway, no, you can convert also the property into a events place or commercial area kasi dikit ka sa 2-lane road, no? Okay? So, tingnan natin itong house na to, guys. Okay, so this is your house. So, right here, meron kang 3 bedrooms, a bathroom. Anyway, may mga gamit siya, but I think the furnitures are not included. Okay, so you have a living area, living space, and right here, the bedrooms. Okay, malaking bedroom. Okay, and then another bedroom over here, kitchen area, and a bathroom dito sa side na to. So, aside from the 2 houses, meron ka pang maraming vacant area wherein pwede pa kayong maglagay ng madami pang structure, maraming houses or maraming kabana or maraming mga gazebo or a main house. Okay, so if you are interested, no, to buy and check out this one, so this property is selling in the market for 17 million pesos, titled property, and potential, no, itong property na to for my assessment. Okay, so thank you so much and God bless everybody.